This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Tap Settings on the Sync 3 home screen to begin changing themes. You will find Settings as a gear icon on the bottom row. Open Settings and then select Display to view theme and brightness controls. Display contains options for screen brightness and color scheme. Press Themes to see available options like Light, Dark, and Classic. Themes may vary with software version, so check your Sync 3 system version in About. Make sure the vehicle is parked before changing settings for safe. Scroll the themes list and tap a theme to preview it on screen. The preview updates the home screen and menus instantly for immediate feedback. If visibility or contrast looks poor, test other themes to compare readability. Use the brightness slider to adjust screen illumination while previewing the theme. Adjust brightness down at night and up in daylight for best visibility. Take a moment to view navigation and media screens to ensure icons remain clear. Tap Apply or Save to set the selected theme on Sync 3 permanently. The system will confirm the selection and return you to the display menu. If you change your mind, use Revert or Cancel within 10 seconds to keep the previous theme. Changes take effect immediately and do not require a full system restart. Restarting Sync 3 is optional and can refresh the interface if you notice any display glitches. Drive safely and avoid changing themes while driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.